So, after selecting the table from table view, the billing screen will appear. You can receive orders in three types: dine-in, delivery, and pickup. You can select the type of order from the top right side of the billing screen. And in the top left side, you can see the search bar from where you can search any item from your menu. On the billing screen, if an order is taken, all the details of the order will be visible, like item's price, the item ordered, and the quantity of the item will be displayed. Then we have the table number visible by default. It can also be changed manually. Customer details like name, mobile number, and address can be entered. It is compulsory to enter the customer details in delivery and pickup orders. You can also select the number of persons sitting on the table. Order-wise comments can also be added, like getting a note from a customer for making the pizza more spicier.